Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker EDIFIER D32 using application. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Then click Bluetooth settings, and right here you need to click at the slider near to this text. Then click confirm and we just disconnect it. To reconnect it you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and you need to tap at your speaker here, if your speaker turn on and do not connect it with another devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!